Oh, you mean people that me don't know see your favorite Jamaican YouTuber Yaadman Etan, and welcome to a Taste of Sumfest review. The show must go on, and the show surely did go on this past weekend. On Friday, July 24th and Saturday, July 25th, a Taste of Sumfest took place. Because of this stupid pandemic, Sumfest could not go on in its typical grand spectacle type of way. Instead, Reggae Sumfest was brought to us virtually. I'm going to review key moments that took place during a Taste of Sumfest, and hear me now, I'm going to try my very best to get some very real, very unedited, very non-photoshopped interviews, even though I'm in America, with the artists themselves, alright? So people them, make sure say stay tuned. Roll me intro.
Oh, you mean you don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean you don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean you don't like, share and comment? Oh, you mean you don't tell a friend them about Yaadman Etan?
So in typical Sumfest fashion, we have a night dedicated for dancehall music and a night dedicated for reggae music. So night one was dancehall night. Before I get into the performances, I must say that the host of the entire thing was Boom Boom. I mean, I tell you, say Boom Boom have Boom Boom have a type of deep, like a deep voice can't even describe Boom Boom. You have to listen to what Boom Boom sound like. Sumfest! Yo, me need Boom Boom for be the narrator for my life. Me need this type of intro everywhere where I walk.
I don't know, say the body Jamaican YouTuber and do the thing right now.
Bill. So first on Dancehall Night, we're the real daddy one.
Yeah, I want oh God. Sumfest I want oh God. I pick up granite law, squash Bobby sticks so hard. Watch out, some friend. What we call bro God. And if nothing hurt them, we ain't go so mad. Cause them real, them not play, them not tree like snake. If I make it, everybody get a slice of the cake. Some friend.
So you see, after Daddy One's performance, I was able to track him down, alright? And me managed to get one interview with Daddy One, alright? So, Daddy One, I have one question, right? So in a quarantine right now, it's really hard for you know, mix and mingle with the girl them. And I need your advice, brother. Like, what would be your advice to me as a single man for you know, for try to lock down a girl? After Daddy One's performance, we had a performance by Chronic Law.
Protect me while me I protect myself. Yeah. Oh Lord, me no left it. My sin to them have pencil. Me send them like message for all. When we not no credit, me a call for them to help me with the enemy. Call them all them. Ready on this street, don't sweet like strawberry.
One thing that stood out to me in Chronic Law's performance was how he was giving a tribute to Ragging King. And for the people them who don't know what happened to Ragging King, some weeks ago, Ragging King was a victim of a gunshot violence.
Oh, I say a Ragging King get well soon, you know what the thing I do. Sometimes it feels to cry, but the tears them finish. Even though when we happy or timid.
Montego Bay artists seem to have a certain type of unity amongst themselves. Something that I wish that more artists throughout Jamaica would have. Now, everybody know that Chronic Law is a lyrically gifted dancehall artist. But with Plastic Smile, it tells me something deeper. Even with Hillside, Chronic Law is an emotionally conscious dancehall artist. And I feel like we need more artists who really tap into them feelings. And when I say tap into them feelings, I'm not talking about like, you know, bad mind feelings and, you know, anger and, you know, horny feelings when them want girl and all them things there. No, I'm talking about the other feelings, and Chronic Law taps into this.
So me still a wear plastic smiles, cause nothing don't feel right. Still a hold it out, me give thanks for life. God knows that we feel cut up inside, and dark man still a wear plastic smiles, cause nothing don't feel right. Rather they on a hillside, where nobody know the foot turn to. Hey, Sumfest. Rather they on a hillside, not their own people where we hurt to.
Next up, we have the lovely Ishawna. Now, people them. You see, because Ishawna is not all over social media like other artists, it gives her fans a chance to miss her. The moment Ishawna step out, you are instantly reminded of how cute and sexy she is. Oh my goodness gracious, Ishawna. Yo, man, I tell you, it should look like a nice piece of food, like when you're well hungry, brother, and just have your mouth just a water. Wait. One thing that I noticed about Aishana's performance, I find it hilarious how the background singers, them sound like a church choir, but instead of singing the gospel, like them how a church choir vibe was sing some dancehall lyrics. Wait. What is supposed to do which things? Aishana, what you talk about? I will sing this. Oh God, no, not this song. No, not this song. So of course Aishana start performing the iconic Equal Rights. And one thing I'm gonna notice right here, so the backup singer them, they sounded particularly energized to sing this song. Man them, comment down below. Tell me your thoughts. Tell me your thoughts on the comments and the performance by Aishana. Now, something that I noticed. Last year, Ramesh Entertainment was not on the card for Sumfest and it caused a bit of controversy. But this year, them step out and them well live. And we'll kick it off with Ding Dong Ravers. Now, people let me know, say when it's Ding Dong and Ravers Clavers, time for loosen up, okay? You know why? Time for dance.
Good thing there. The good thing there. The good thing there. Hi, the good thing. When I do road, me have to wear the good thing there. The good clothes and the good shoes there. Good chain and the good ring. And the shopping and the mall and the good store. Forward, bad man, pull up. Bad man, forward, bad man, pull up. Bad man, play. Man, show on the play. Get a show on the play. Gold Ravers a power. Ding dong, the new dancing game. Man, a show on the play.
Make we dance.
When everybody feel a dance, everybody feel. Everybody feel a dance, everybody feel. When everybody feel a dance, everybody feel. Everybody now dance with me now. Every fear. Let's go. So now everybody left go. Anywhere we go, they want to play style. We play.
Listen, to keep up with Ding Dong, you need a whole heap of endurance and a whole heap of liquor in your system. Ding Dong, Ravers Clavers, big up on yourself. Immediately after Ding Dong, we had a performance by Shenseea. Woo! And Shenseea admits that this is the first time in 5 months that she has performed on stage. And granted, this makes sense with the whole pandemic and everything, but I've noticed that the comments about Shenseea's performance, some people are wondering, yo, why did Shenseea only perform for such a small amount of time, not even 10 minutes? People may be wondering why Shenseea was only on stage for such a small amount of time, but you have to remember, certain things happened in real life. And I'm going to try to catch up with Shenseea to see if she can give me any words.
No man can't say me ever beg him on my style and put me Kyle to him out to him flap that.
Yo, Ramesh, free up my artists. Ramesh, don't ever fight in a dog. You want my interview. Oh, you mean people that don't know say Yaadman Etan, and I am here having a very real, not Photoshop, not edited, very real interview again with the lovely Shenseea. Yo, big up Ramesh, thank you for letting me interview your artist here. Shenseea, oh God.
Talk to me!
Before I even, get down with my foolishness or anything, I just want to say that my condolences goes out to you. I want to say this face to face, alright? I don't know how many people realized that this has been the first, I'm sorry to bring this up, that this has been the first performance that you've done since your mother passed away, and my deepest condolences goes out to you. And I know that this has been on your mind for a while and you don't have to say anything about this. I just want to say that you are loved. Your fan base loves you. Me love you, Shenseea. You see me? I just want to say thank you for having the strength to come out here and to give us a piece of yourself during the time when Jamaica really needs this. In a time when nothing normal. Thank you for giving us yourself. And Shenseea, you know, say Yaadman love you. I just want to know, like, what do you feel for Yaadman?
You're not ready at all, ready for all. This unconditional love I got for you.
Unconditional love. Baby, I love you. So Teejay closed it out for Ramesh Entertainment, and I must say that Teejay is a phenomenal artist. Teejay got the most amount of time, and yo, I can't even list all the songs that he did.
Yeah, what? Yeah, she right with me, I right with she. Whoa!
Well, it's Teejay. Yo, Teejay are one of them artists that were lyrically inclined, and the man delivery, and the man just fast. Alright, ready? We're gonna try to keep up with Teejay.
They say we turn it up, we turn it to a notch again. The money no me girl, them no for that bother them. My circus monster, remember me no got a lot of friends, so boys say them a shot at them up, money no but shabba them. Shabba them. Shabba them. Yay!
According to the comments, Teejay had one of the best performances of the night. Teejay never missed none at all. Teejay even gave some of his time to one of his own artists, Jaden Heights. I mean, I tell you, when Jaden they drop some of him, you know, his vocal ability, I could hear fronts across the nation of Jamaica, you know, instantly getting wet.
Alright then, please don't change the way you are, girl. Baby, just please don't change on me. Just stay the same for me, the way you are.
Big up Teejay, big up Ramesh Entertainment. Una did really shell on the performances tonight. Now I can only imagine for the artists that were performing at Sumfest that it was kind of weird. Performing where there were no fans in attendance, but having to sing into a camera. Instead of Konshens try to hype up the people them through the camera.
Big up to all of the viewers right now. Wherever you're streaming from all over the world, blessed. This is Reggae Sumfest. How we do it like this. Me come from Sherlock Crescent, Kingston, Jamaica. Wherever you are in the world, big up yourself, big up to the band Rough Cut, boom boom, big up yourself, very hype. Ready now!
And them say, yo, me know me can't see you no, but if you're bad mind, keep your hand by your side. Me can't see you no, but all the clean heart people they put their hand up in the sky.
Right now in your living room. If you're bad mind, keep your hand by your side, so. Me can't see you now, so don't tell no lie. All clean-hearted people point down to the sky.
Konshens, may I tell you, you never have to see them. But you know, say, one heap of people in Jamaica did a lie that night, then I put up them hand. So Konshens also brought out a young artist known as Diane on the stage. I mean, I tell you the God truth, boy. You see, I must toot my own horn. You see, as a good-looking youth with locks, is it me I say, oh, you can't read my comment section and say the type of foolishness on me get. So, Diane look taller than me. And as a taller youth with locks who can actually sing, me can just hear it. We can hear the girl them across Jamaica just dead over the man. Like, me feel like me need for Diane presence. Where like him a curve girl, so like after him done curve a girl and tell her no, me can catch her. And to close Dancehall Night, we had the final performance by Agent Sasco. Now I don't know if it's because of Agent Sasco's reggae roots, because I noticed on night 2 a lot of the artists were doing the same thing, or if Agent Sasco is the one who really started the trend. But I noticed that Agent Sasco started mixing a lot of the messages from his songs that he performed with messages about the pandemic, which is the reason why we're doing this virtually in the first place. Yo, so people better know, say Yaadman Etan, and I'm here with the real Agent Sasco. Very real interview, you know, no Photoshop, no video magic. This is me, Yaadman, in person with the real Agent Sasco. So, Sasco, I have one question I need to ask you, brother. So, as a YouTuber, as an entertainer, as a comedian, I have faced a lot of bad mind and a lot of hate on my journey. I have one, and I know as an established artist in the industry, you have experiences for yourself. Do you have any advice for me and for any other artists out there? How do you deal with the bad mind?
I'm about to send the haters a card to get well because them sick of it.
Oh my God. So Sumfest is also hosted by Miss Kitty. I mean, I tell you, and Miss Kitty did step out. Oh my goodness. When Miss Kitty did step out, oh my goodness, Miss Kitty, you reminded me why them call you Fluffy. Oh God. Miss Kitty also presented the Lifetime Achievement Award to Third World. But the thing that stood out to me in this, Miss Kitty, as a content creator, I love you here. Alright, and the reason why I say as a content creator, I love you here, because your hair remind me of my green screen. You have like green screen green. Is it best like we can do something different with the head at any moment? Like we can make it red. We can make it fire. And with the end of night one is the end of the night of dancehall. I'm moving over into the second night of Sumfest. We're now moving into the fully conscious reggae night.